left Lagergren absolutely fell. And Brian Monte is off. He will head up and well, brutal handshake between Monte and Müller, the two red-carded players. I sympathise. So 10 minutes in, 4 goals in it, and now power play for Sweden, but they haven't played them all that well. They've got to make this one really, really count. That's the first. Karlsborg has suddenly found his mojo. Straight through the gap. Petrus Nortely tried to put the hips in and put him off balance. Luckily for him, didn't make contact. Karlsborg's 11th goal in the championship. And once again, Sweden back to within 3. So Langaro is back on. And that's the problem for Sweden, is that they have an equally outstanding left back on the bench at the time. Free throw. Langaro, their top scorer with 23 goals in the competition. Carvalho at right back. Barros in the centre. Carvalho. Langaro tries to go through, too many steps, turnover. Just as well, they've got their goalkeeper back in. Oh, the hesitation. Penas was free on the left. And Sweden's confidence looks so rattled. And another huge save by Da Rosa. The ball is picked up though inside the area by one of the Brazilians initially. And they get another free throw. And even Lagergren is showing a few signs of nerves out there. He's on 2 from 5. None of them shining right now. Gottfridsson may be the only one with 4 from 6. Well, that was an easy chance to get back to within 2. And meanwhile, Brazil eating away at that suspension time. Lagergren who's through but passed it out. And again, Karlsborg is beaten by Da Rosa for his 16th save. Unbelievable. Sweden's shooting has just fallen apart here today. Da Rosa is playing out of his socks on a 53% save rate. And they've run down the suspension, conceding just the 1 goal, Brazil. They'll be reasonably satisfied with that. Langaro follows through, that's blocked off the wall. It's a penalty. The players are going down like flies here. And again, some help being required. It's Langaro who's gone down. Dummied the shot initially. And it's Lagergren who may have caught it with his left hand. Little flick as he went through it. And he gets himself a 2-minute suspension for that. Just when Sweden are handed a real opportunity with a power play, and they get a couple of decent shot opportunities and fail. Brazil come back. Dupont faces Tulin. Oh, Tulin again saves. Tulin's 3rd save from 6. Well, he too on the 50% save rate. Cometh the hour, cometh the man, maybe. Norwegian fans just about believing, but the clock is ticking away relentlessly. Karlsborg, unfortunately, is showing signs of nerves out there. They did bring on Erik Johansson in the first half for a while. He struggled. And then Edvardsson equally, but then he's not technically a left back, but happily you would play that. But none of them really shone. Sandell has come in at right back for Lagergren while he's suspended, as Borges tries to marshal the defence around him. Borges. Sandell. Oh, smothered through his feet. Sandel's second brings Sweden back to within 2. And they nearly made a botch-up job of the throw-off as well. How about that under pressure? And they were going for the empty goal. Huge save by Gottfriedsen. And it's off the post, and suddenly Brazil's lucky charm has deserted them as Rodriguez comes away empty-handed.